follow me, hit subscribe below, hit the bell, and if you have any questions, any comments, I will respond to you. Feel free to leave those below. So that was the fourth set in the game series. I almost didn't do that one because I thought it was going to be cheesy. I thought it was going to be something that, you know, this didn't come out quite right. But when it all came together, I was very, very, very pleased with the outcome. Next, I may do Tetris, which I already have built. I'm just looking for the wardrobe and the right model. And Monopoly. Monopoly is another one that I'm thinking I may pursue. But I don't know. I'm getting a little burnt out on the game thing, so I'm just trying to figure out where my excitement leads me, I guess you can say. The lighting was an Alien B and a single Alien B, very, very low power, and I think it was a 400 at maybe 1/4 power, if that, and it was on a 4-foot octo box, soft box, and I had a slow shutter speed. Try not to sacrifice too much sharpness, but also I needed to get the colors, the hues. I needed that to come, you know, into play. So I wish it was a little sharper, but I am pleased with the outcome. The camera was a Nikon D610, and the lens was a Tamron 28-75. I'm pleased with both of them, and I look forward to doing a few more sets whenever I can get back in gear to finish up the creative part of it. Make sure you follow me, my website, Todd Youngblood Photography. Subscribe to this channel, and let's create.